So this is a quick shot of this beautiful bag. I absolutely love it. You got one pocket. You got two pockets, which I keep all my makeup stuff in. As you can see, I don't want this video to go so long because my last one, they said it was too long. So then you have a snap handle right here, which keep the straps in place. We got the second pocket, which I keep my laptop, headphones, all my other computer parts in, which has got a lot of room in. And then stop, Michael. And then I'm on the third pocket. You just flip the bag around to the side, and you got all your clothes and stuff in. Yeah, so